What's good?
Hey everyone.
What it do? What's poppin'? Her name is Ebony.
His name is Eugene.
In this video right here, we're gonna show you guys the best way to go grocery shopping.
The best way.
When we first started getting groceries, we did it just like everyone else.
Yep.
Drive to the store,
Right.
go in the store, pick out your groceries, pay for them, then you leave.
Yep, that's what we did every week.
But why did we stop?
Well, we stopped. I mean, one, I was honestly getting tired of going to the grocery store consistently, being around all those people. Felt like some days it was just super crowded at the grocery store and a lot of things would be taken, and it's like, dang. And so it's crowded, there's a lot of things taken, and so I was just getting tired of it.
So me, after about 15 minutes of being in the grocery store, I'm ready to go. I start getting impatient and I'm just ready to leave. All that food, I'm getting hungry. I just want to eat, go home, rest and relax. So we started having the food delivered to us,
Which was very convenient.
We thought that was the best. We didn't have to go nowhere. They brought it to our door. Sounds perfect, right?
Don't have to deal with all those people.
Sounds perfect, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Until they don't bring the right items.
Y'all, they wasn't bringing the right items.
Sometimes they just forgot the items.
Y'all, one time we ordered 5 packs of chicken. 5 packs. And they delivered it and there was only one. And it was like, where's the rest of the chicken at? You know what I mean? And they charged us for it as well. So that wasn't really convenient. That was actually an inconvenience.
Exactly. So delivering it, having them deliver it might be the fastest, except when they forget an item or get the wrong item, because then you got to go and get it yourself.
Right.
Which defeats the whole purpose.
It does.
So we're going to show y'all right now. We're showing you the best way to get your groceries.
This is the best way.
Somebody's getting it for you, but you get to actually pick it up.
Yep. So we don't have to be in there with the crowdedness of all the people in there, searching for items and things of that nature. We don't have to deal with that. Hubby doesn't have to be walking around, for a long time, like ready to go.
So, depending how far you are from the store, now it's gonna, be most of your time right there.
True.
But we're like 5 minutes away from the store that's close to us. So driving there 5 minutes, drive back 5 minutes.
Right.
Might take about 5 or 10 minutes or so for them to load it up.
Yeah, and typically when we would go to the grocery store, we'd be in there for an hour and a half.
At least.
Or 2 hours at times.
So, we're gonna show you how easy it is to pick up your groceries from the store without having to go in the store.
Now, let's say, we go and we pick up our groceries, which we're doing right now, and they forget something, because that does happen sometimes. We still do have the ability to go in the store, but we won't be in there for 2 hours.
Right.
We'll just get what's missing, which will probably take a minute or 2.
Now, I don't mind running in the store to grab an item. The line can be long, whatever, but it's one item. But I don't want to go in there to grab the whole shopping list. It takes too long. And honestly, they charge for the delivery some places.
Right, yeah.
Some places charge for the delivery service, but they don't charge you to pick up the groceries for you.
Right.
To get it all ready for you, and you just come and let them put it in your car.
Right.
So that's what we're doing. We're gonna let them put it in our car for us,
Yeah.
As we casually chill in the AC.
Yeah.
It's the easiest way to do it.
Don't even need to get out.
And it's 3:33, perfect timing.
3:33. That's awesome. And y'all, sometimes, the delivery people, they be tripping anyways. Like, sometimes they don't be wanting to shop, so this makes it much more convenient. I'm gonna tell them we're here.
Sometimes they'll get upset if the item that you want, they can't find it.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like, that's your job.
Right.
Don't get upset with us because you can't find the item. Now we get it. It is annoying. And it can get frustrating.
It can.
When you're trying to find that item, but you might have picked the wrong occupation.
Yeah, because you signed up for it.
If you don't got the patience for the occupation, it may be the wrong one. So she just let them know we here.
Yeah, just let them know that we're here. All we had to do was text them the spot number that we're in. And there's not a lot of people here in the pickup section.
At all. It's only under one other car.
Yeah, so we shouldn't be waiting that long. Here's what it looks like. Here's our pickup spot, number 8. And so, all we have to do is just wait for our food. Pop the trunk. Let them do what they do.
Pop the trunk.
So as you guys can see, we have the grocery person putting the stuff in the other person's car.
So that might be the person who puts it in ours. It may not. They may have more than one person working, but that's how it is, man. You sit in your car, pop the trunk, or they'll open the back seat, whatever, and they put it in there for you.
Have some deep conversations while you're waiting.
Super deep. Or shallow if you want to.
However you're feeling.
Or sit in silence. Whatever you do is up to you. But we just chilling, we waiting. So this is part of the time. Normally you'd be in the store walking around, but we outside the store, sitting down.
In our wonderful AC.
While our hard-working serviceman is doing his job.
Yes, and he looks like he's excelling. All right, the people are coming now. All right, everyone, so we have the people coming right now. So you'll see how seamless this process is. See if they're missing anything.
Hello.
Hello.
Is in the trunk okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Do you have any paper coupons?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
She don't even know.
She looks in here.
Be a little awkward.
Hey, this guy was just interviewing. This guy was just recording me.
Look, somebody else pulled up.
Yep.
Yeah, this is the way of the future.
It is the way of the future. Yes, it is.
It's the way of the future. Stop going in the stores. Wait outside the stores. Let them bring what's in the stores. Outside the doors. Into your trunk. And they'll fill it up. Depending on how much stuff you ordered. But look how cool this is. Now, we're not gonna lie. We waited a good 10 minutes.
We did, so it was a little longer than usual.
But I'd rather wait 10 minutes in the car
Right.
than 10 minutes walking around the store.
Exactly.
And look at, she can close it when she's done.
And it seems like
Boom.
she had everything.
Normally they'll tell you
Mm-hmm.
if they had to substitute something or if they couldn't find something.
Right, and she was just like, you want it in the trunk? You got the coupons? All right.
But that's how easy it was.
Super quick.
And now we're headed back home.
Yep.
So, if you're feeling the vibe, like and subscribe. And if you ain't,
Leave us a pick up your grocery thumbs up.
that'll work. And we out.
Bye.
Three G. Yeah. I do what I do.